So then they started the revolt. So this is the introduction part of the chapter, that the laws had some bad impact on the people. Then what are we going to study in this chapter? Policies, Nawabs lose their power, peasants and the sepoys, responses to the reforms through the eyes of the people. A mutiny becomes popular rebellion. So we have covered how many topics till now? We have covered first, Nawabs lose their power, I told you, peasants and sepoys ho gaya, responses to reforms done through the eyes of the people, I told you, a mutiny becomes popular rebellion done. So we are left with 4 topics. Then Nawabs lose their power. So I told you that Nawabs they lost their power. उन्होंने president बिठा दिए और उनकी freedom को छीन लिया. And then many ruling families they tried to negotiate, but the company did not agree on those laws. Okay, so what was the company's plan? कंपनी का ये प्लान था कि मुगल डायनेस्टी को भी एंड कर देना, एंड देयर वुड बी नो मोर मुगल किंग आफ्टर बहादुर शाह जफर. He wanted to take his family out of the Red Fort also. So peasants and the sepoys, they were also unhappy. So why peasants were unhappy? Because high taxes they had to pay, rigid method of tax collection was there, and thus they lost their land to the Britishers. And okay, so why were the sepoys upset? Sepoys की क्या problem थी? They were unhappy about the pay allowances. उनकी conditions अच्छी नहीं थी. जो न्यू रूल्स थे उनके रिलीजन्स के अगेंस्ट थे, and they have to serve the agreement they have to sign that they have to go overseas, which they believe that if they go overseas, so then their religion will be eliminated. Okay, so also sepoys were unhappy with what was happening in the countryside also, because they both were connected. Peasants and sepoys were connected. So British officials believed, उनको लगा कि Indian society को completely reform करना है, change करना है. So laws were passed to stop the practice of sati. They encouraged the remarriage of widows. English language was promoted, and Christianity becomes easier. But what were the problems? Problems were many Indians began to feel, उनको लगता था जो ब्रिटिशर्स हैं उनका रिलीजन को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, उनके कल्चर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, उनका जो वे ऑफ लाइफ है उसमें they are interfering. Okay, so through the eyes of the people, I told you that two mentions are there. First is of the book Majha Prabhas, Vishnu Bhatt Godse, and second was Subedar Sitaram Pandey. Okay, so that you can read, that is not so important. Then a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. So what is mutiny? Mutiny is when some group of soldiers they disobey their higher officials, and that becomes rebellion. Rebellion is on a big level. So struggles rise and the powers of the states break down. For such a situation to develop, people have to organize. I told you that if the people want to defeat someone, so they have to organize, have to communicate, have to take initiative and display the confidence to turn the situation around. Such a situation developed in the northern parts of India. English East India Company faced a massive rebellion that started in May 1857. So sepoys ने revolt start कर दिया, and it started from Meerut. I told you that this revolt started in Meerut, and this was the biggest armed resistance to colonialism. की history में सबसे बड़ा resistance इसको माना जाता है, the revolt of 1857. I told you why and where it started. It started in Meerut. क्या हुआ था वहाँ पे? Mangal Pandey was hanged to death. Why? Because he attacked his officers in Barrack Fort. And what happened after that? Sepoys of the regiment at Meerut refused to do the army drill using the new cartridges. I told you what was the problem with the new cartridges, that they were being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. Okay, and that they believe that was against their religion, that they have to peel it with their mouth. So that they denied that they will not touch that those cartridges with their mouths. They will not. That will destroy their religion. Okay, so because of this protest, they refused to do it. 85 sepoys were dismissed from the service and sentenced to 10 years in jail for disobeying their officers. Then after that, the other Indian soldiers, they were furious now, and then they went to the jail and they released the sepoys, and they captured guns. वहाँ पे buildings को आग लगा दिया, British officers को मार दिया, and उन्होंने जंग का ऐलान कर दिया. They declared war on Firangis. The soldiers were determined to bring an end to the British rule, but who would rule the land inside instead? So that was the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay, so then they started moving towards Delhi. वो दिल्ली की तरफ उन्होंने बढ़ना शुरू कर दिया कि हम दिल्ली जाके हम बहादुर शाह जफर से मिलेंगे, उसको बोलेंगे कि आप हमें सपोर्ट करो टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश। देन सिपाहीज ऑफ मेरठ दे वेंट टू दिल्ली, एंड वहाँ पे जो दिल्ली रेजिमेंट थी, ब्रिटिश रेजिमेंट थी, दे केम टू नो दैट द पीपल, द इंडियन सोल्जर्स आर कमिंग, so they also became alert. Soldiers gathered around the walls of the Red Fort. They proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as the leader. He wrote letters. So Bahadur Shah Zafar, first of all, I told you, he was not willing to challenge the mighty power of the British, क्योंकि उसको भी कहीं ना कहीं डर था कि बहुत बड़ी पावर है जो पूरी इंडिया में फैली हुई है, उसको चैलेंज करना, that was a big thing. So he was hesitating, but later on, because the soldiers insisted him कि नहीं आप करो, आप हमें सपोर्ट करो, so then he wrote letters to all the other chiefs, those who wanted to fight against the British. So this single step by Bahadur Shah Zafar had great implications, because he was you can say he was the Mughal king that time, and he was also having the power. तो ऐसा कोई बड़ा इंसान अगर कोई स्टेप लेता है, so obviously the Britishers were also affected that he is supporting now the rebellion, the Indian soldiers. So British expectations were that Bahadur Shah's involvement, कि Bahadur Shah हमें support करे, and why they wanted so, because you know that if any big army, big man will support you, so that will give you courage, hope and confidence to the people. So उससे क्या है, लोगों का हौसला और बढ़ गया, and they were willing to fight against the British now. So then the next topic is the rebellion spread. So कैसे कैसे ये rebellion बाकी parts थे, other parts of India, this rebellion spreads in other parts of India also. So you can see in the map also here, it started from Meerut. Okay, so these red dots, those points which are in red, these are the nodal points. Okay, nodal points means main centers of the revolt. It is written here, main centers of the revolt कौन-कौन से थे? झांसी, लखनऊ, then नवाबगंज, झांसी, कानपुर, लखनऊ, फैजाबाद, बरेली, मेरठ and Delhi. So these were the main, you can say nodal points, main centers of the revolt ये थे, and these all surrounding areas, surrounding जितने भी villages थे, areas थे, उनको जब पता लगता था कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है main center में, so they also went there and joined them. उन्होंने भी आसपास के जितने भी एरियाज थे वहां से भी लोग सब उनको आपस में जुड़ने लगे, एंड दे आल्सो रोज अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स. सो दीज आर द मेन सेंटर्स. ठीक है, झांसी, कानपुर, लखनऊ, दिस वी हैव टू डू द मैप आल्सो. ठीक है, मैप इज देयर, इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटर्स ऑफ रिवोल्ट. सो इन दैट वी हैव टू मार्क दीज: झांसी, कानपुर, लखनऊ, फैजाबाद, बरेली, मेरठ एंड दिल्ली. Okay, so Britishers were routed from Delhi. So what happened? So when Indian soldiers they went to Delhi, वहां पे जाके उन्होंने क्या किया, जो Britishers थे उनकी आर्मी थी उनको डिफीट कर दिया. Routed means they were defeated. Britishers were defeated from Delhi. This spread of news went everywhere. ये खबर सब जगह फैल गई कि इंडियन सोल्जर्स ने दिल्ली में ब्रिटिशर्स को डिफीट कर दिया है. So that also gave them courage and hope to other people that yes, we can fight against the British. So ये न्यूज फैलती गई and spurt of mutinies began. जहाँ जहाँ पे ये न्यूज फैलती गई, जो पहुंचती गई, वहां पे भी mutinies, वहां पे भी जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे और लोग थे वो they started standing against the Britishers. ठीक है, उनको सपोर्ट मिलती गई कि नहीं, दिस रिबेलियन इज देयर एंड वी विल गो देयर एंड जॉइन आवर ब्रदर्स. So these were the nodal points. Regiments were there. People of towns and villages rose up. Not even the Indian soldiers. कि ये नहीं कि सिर्फ soldiers ही उनके खिलाफ खड़े हुए. People also from the towns and villages, they also rose up because वो भी they were also frustrated from the Britishers. कौन थे वो? Peasants थे, farmers थे. These other traders were there. So they were also not happy with the Britishers. So that's why they also joined the soldiers, rallied around local leaders, zamindars and chiefs were prepared to establish their authority and fight British. ठीक है, so rallies निकली local leaders के लिए and zamindars जो chiefs थे, they were also prepared now to establish the authority. जितनी power उनके पास थी उन्होंने अपनी power को इकट्ठा किया and they started fighting against the Britishers. So this is how this rebellion spreads. तो कानपुर में क्या हुआ? कानपुर में कौन था? नाना साहेब. Okay, earlier he was not allowed to proclaim himself as Peshwa. But now he also proclaimed himself as Peshwa. He declared that he was a governor under the Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. उसने अपने आप को गवर्नर डिक्लेयर कर दिया under the Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. लखनऊ में बिरजिस कादर was there. He was the son of deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. Okay, Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, he was deposed. Deposed means उसको उसके kingdom से निकाल दिया था, उसको उसकी post से निकाल दिया था. And Birjis Kadir was his son. Then he also proclaimed as the new Nawab. उसने भी अपने आप को न्यू नवाब प्रोक्लेम कर दिया. He to acknowledge the suzerainty of Bahadur Shah Zafar. Suzerainty means the control of any area. Okay, the right over any land, over any area. So then Begum Hazrat Mahal's role is also there in rebellion. Who was she? It is given in your book. Begum Hazrat Mahal Bondi. She was the mother of Birjis Kadir, I think, on page number 57. Okay, he to acknowledge so his mother, Begum, yes, his mother, she was the mother of Birjis Kadir. Mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the uprising against the Britishers. और उसी टाइम पे जो झांसी की रानी थी लक्ष्मी बाई along with तांत्या टोपे, she also joined the rebel sepoys. ठीक है, means धीरे धीरे slowly the whole Mughals, the other rulers, the small rulers, even the zamindars, peasants, जितने भी हो गए, they all were joining this rebellion. So that's why it became on a very big level, because so many people joined it. In Mandla region of Madhya Pradesh, who was there? There was one Rani Avanti Lodi of Ramgarh has taken over the administration of her state, defeating the British. So see, even the women, they were also not at the back front. They also came at the forefront and they also started fighting with the Britishers. उन्होंने भी अपने हक के लिए लड़ना शुरू कर दिया. And this Rani Avanti Lodi of Ramgarh, she also defeated the British and took over the administration of her state. इनका भी kingdom उन्होंने ले लिया था Britishers ने, but she also fought back and she regained her rule. So position of the British rule. Now see, so many things were happening against the Britishers, and at one point of time the Britishers were shaken. वो हिल गए थे, उनकी पोजीशन मींस दे वर ट्रेम्बलिंग नाउ, मींस दे वर नॉट स्टेबल. उनको लग रहा था फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर, फ्रॉम एवरी साइड पीपल आर रिवोल्टिंग, पीपल आर स्टैंडिंग अगेंस्ट अस. So they were defeated. That's why they became weak. You know, if it will happen कि एक बार जब इंसान हारता है तो हारता ही जाता है. Okay, and Indian soldiers, they were winning over the Britishers, so they were gaining the courage and confidence. So each and every battle they were winning. वो जीतते जा रहे थे और ब्रिटिशर्स जो है वो हारते जा रहे थे. So they were defeated in the number of battles. So was this the end of the rule? So आपको लगा कि ठीक है ब्रिटिशर्स तो हारते जा रहे हैं, हारते जा रहे हैं. That means now they are going to be finished. Then what happened? So जब Britishers को लगा that their position is becoming very weak now because all the peoples are protesting against them. So on 6th August 1857, telegram sent by Lieutenant Colonel Titler to his commander-in-chief expressing the fear felt by the British. So now the Britishers were scared. They were afraid of Indians. उनको एक तरह से डर लग गया था कि बस हम घिर चुके हैं. Now we are becoming weak. So what he wrote, क्या लिखा इसमें ल्यूटिनेंट कर्नल ने कमांडर इन चीफ को? इंग्लैंड में इसने लिखा था टेलीग्राम. So he said, our men are cowed by the numbers opposed to them and the endless fighting. Every village is held against us. The zamindars have risen to oppose us. So उसने क्या लिखा कि our men are cowed. Cowed means afraid. कि हमारे लोग डर चुके हैं. किससे? By the numbers opposed to them. कि इतने सारे लोग हमारे खिलाफ खड़े हैं. And the endless fighting means we are just fighting continuously. The fights are never ending. So our men are cowed. कि हमारे लोग डर चुके हैं. Britishers are afraid now. Every village is held against us. हर एक village हमारे खिलाफ खड़ा है. Zamindars have risen to oppose us. Zamindars भी हमारे खिलाफ है. Nobody is listening now. They all are just one. So that was the condition. The Britishers became weak. Now many new leaders. So इसी टाइम के दौरान many new leaders came up to join this rebellion. और भी कुछ leaders थे जो some prominent leaders were there who came from different areas, different parts of India, and they also joined this revolt of 1857. Out of these, there are mentions of two or three. First was Ahmadullah Shah. It is given in your book also. Underline, these are important. On page 58. On page 58, third paragraph. Many new leaders came up. For example, Ahmadullah Shah. Who was he? Who was Ahmadullah Shah? He was a Maulvi from Faizabad. ठीक है, ये मौलवी था एक. He prophesied means उसने predict किया, उसने future को सोचा, उसने predict किया. He was a Maulvi. He prophesied that rule of British would end soon. कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स का जो रूल है वो जल्दी ही खत्म होने वाला है. And this thinking led other people also to join him. ठीक है, तो उसने प्रिडिक्ट किया that rule of British would end soon, जल्दी खत्म होने वाला है. And this caught the imagination of the people. तो लोगों को बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि ये इसमें तो बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली है कि ब्रिटिशर्स का खत्म होने वाला है रूल. So that's why he raised a huge force of supporters. बहुत लोगों ने उसको सपोर्ट किया because he was positive. He said good words that British would end soon. उसने प्रिडिक्ट किया था. So that's why so many people supported him, and he also came to Lucknow to fight against British. Okay, so Ahmadullah Shah, he was a Maulvi from Faizabad. Then next, one more important person was Bakhat Khan. Bakhat Khan, you might have heard of him also. He was a soldier from Bareilly. Okay, you must know them, that who were they. Ahmadullah Shah was a Maulvi from Faizabad. One more question, who was Bakhat Khan? He was a soldier from Bareilly. He took charge of large force of fighters who came to Delhi. He became a key military leader of the rebellion. So he also joined the Indian soldiers and he also fought against the British. Then next was Kuvar Singh. Who was Kuvar Singh? He also joined the rebel sepoys. He battled with the British for many months, and other leaders and fighters from across the land joined the fight. Okay. Kuvar Singh, he was an old Zamindar from Bihar. It is written in your book. Okay, not written in the slide, but it is written last line, last third line. In Bihar, an old Zamindar Kuvar Singh. So Kuvar Singh was an old Zamindar from Bihar. He also joined the rebel sepoys. Okay, so these are some of the important persons who joined the rebellion. Here, now what happened? See, so just imagine now what was happening. थोड़ा सा out of the box सोचो कि chapter में से बाहर आके सोचो what was happening that time. So you imagine yourself that you are a British ruler and all the people surrounding you, the area surrounding you, they are standing against you and you are not able to do anything. So what happened? Now the company, do you think the company gave up? Company ने surrender कर दिया? No, that was not the end. So company fights back. कंपनी ने दोबारा फाइट बैक किया इंडियंस को कि नहीं ये कैसे हमारे खिलाफ खड़े हो गए हैं. So we have to rule them. So what happened? Unnerved by the scale of the upheaval. Okay, unnerved means they were scared but not completely. Means completely they did not give up. Completely they did not lose hope that they will be defeated by the Indians. Okay, unnerved by the scale of the upheaval. Upheaval means the rising rebellion, the level of the rising rebellion. The company decided to repress the revolt with all its might. कंपनी ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि हम पूरी अपनी पावर के साथ इस रिवोल्ट को रिप्रेस करेंगे. रिवोल्ट को we will stop this revolt. Okay, so what did they do? क्या किया उन्होंने? Because the Britishers were dying, ठीक है, कितने soldiers उनके dead हो चुके थे. So what they did? They asked for more soldiers from England. उन्होंने इंग्लैंड अपना टेलीग्राम भेजा था. उन्होंने बोला कि हमें और आर्मी चाहिए to rule India and to stop them from revolting against us. So they brought reinforcement from England. उन्होंने इंग्लैंड से और आर्मी बुलाई and they passed new laws so that the rebels could be convicted with peace. Okay, so then they passed new laws also so that the rebels could be convicted. Means जो rebels हैं जो उनके खिलाफ खड़े थे उनको easily capture कर लिया जाए. Delhi was recaptured from the rebel forces in September 1857. So slowly, first of all, they knew it that Delhi was the main center. So if they will recapture Delhi, that means the power of the rebellions will become weak. ठीक है, इंडियंस को अगर इंडियंस की रीढ़ की हड्डी को तोड़ना है तो सबसे पहले दिल्ली पे जाके उसको रिकैप्चर करना पड़ेगा. So Britishers, they were very clever. They were going with planning. Okay, so they asked for more army from the England. बहुत ज्यादा आर्मी उन्होंने बुलाई अपनी इंग्लैंड से, and then they passed the laws and moreover they fought. Okay, and the first center which they recaptured back was Delhi. सबसे पहले उन्होंने दिल्ली को जाके recapture किया, and then Bahadur Shah Zafar and his wife Begum Zeenat Mahal were sent to prison in Rangoon. So दिल्ली में जाके उस रेड फोर्ट को उन्होंने घेर लिया, जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे उसको मारा, और जो बहादुर शाह जफर था उसको कन्विक्ट कर लिया, उसको पकड़ लिया, उसकी वाइफ को भी पकड़ लिया, एंड दे बोथ वर सेंट टू prison in Rangoon. Where is Rangoon, you know? Anyone? So Bahadur Shah Zafar was tried, he was investigated in the court first of all, and then sentenced to life imprisonment. Means पूरी उम्र कैद की सजा दे दी थी उसको बहादुर शाह जफर को. He and his wife Begum Zeenat Mahal were sent to prison in Rangoon. Find out where is Rangoon. In October 1858, and then Bahadur Shah Zafar died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. ठीक है, तो बहादुर शाह जफर का एंड यहाँ पे हुआ कि उसको कैप्चर कर लिया, पहले उसको कोर्ट में पूछा गया, इन्वेस्टिगेशन की, और फिर उसको उम्र कैद की सजा सुना दी, एंड देन ही वाज सेंट टू द रंगून जेल एंड वेयर ही डाइड. ही लास्ट ब्रेथ इन रंगून जेल. यस, निष्ठा इज रेजिंग हैंड. टेल मी वेयर इज रंगून.
Myanmar.
Yes, it is the largest city of Myanmar. Okay, Rangoon jail. It is very famous. एक वो song भी है ना, Rangoon पे. If anybody has heard, you will tell me the song. I am not saying. बहुत पुराना गाना है Rangoon पे. If anybody knew, then he or she can say. So that was the end of Bahadur Shah Zafar, and he died there in the Rangoon jail. The recapture of Delhi. What about other centers? So Delhi to recapture कर लिया Britishers ने. So what about other centers then? Did the rebellion die down? कि rebellion जो थी, this revolt of 1857, Indians they sat down then. Did the rebellion die down? No. So people continue to resist. लोगों ने अपना resistance continue किया, and they battled the British. They fought the British. The British had to fight for 2 years to suppress the massive forces of popular rebellion. So can you imagine that this revolt lasted for how many years? This revolt lasted for 2 years. Means 2 years continuous rebels, continuous protests, continuous fights were going on between the Britishers and the Indians. Okay, so they had to fight for 2 years to suppress this massive force of popular rebellion, and slowly again the Britishers came into power. Delhi was recaptured, and then again the next center which was recaptured was Lucknow. Okay, Lucknow was taken back. It was taken back again in March 1858. Underline this line here on page 59. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. लखनऊ को भी रिकैप्चर कर लिया उन्होंने. देन रानी लक्ष्मीबाई वाज डिफीटेड. उसके बाद रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को भी डिफीट कर दिया ब्रिटिशर्स ने, एंड शी वाज किल्ड इन जून 1858. उसको भी हरा के उसको मार दिया. अ सिमिलर फेट. हैव यू सीन द मूवी ऑन रानी लक्ष्मीबाई? व्हिच मूवी इज देयर ऑन रानी लक्ष्मीबाई? कैन यू नेम इट? Yes, Jannat will tell. Yes, you can unmute.
Manikarnika.
Yes, Manikarnika was the movie on Rani Lakshmibai. Okay, so these kind of movies you must watch. You will come to know that how these freedom fighters they fought and how did they plan and all things, because it is very interesting to watch. Yes. So first Delhi was recaptured, and then Lucknow was recaptured, and then finally they defeated Rani Lakshmi Bai and they killed her. And then Tantia Tope also a similar fate awaited Rani Avanti Bai. So Rani Avanti Bai also, she also first of all she took the victory, वो जीत गई थी initial victory, and then she chose to embrace death when surrounded by the British on all sides. So she also, when she was surrounded by the Britishers, then she also killed herself कि नहीं मुझे Britishers के हाथ से नहीं मरना है. I would like to kill myself. तो उसने अपने आप को ही मार दिया था. She chose to embrace death when surrounded by the British on all sides. उसको पता है कि now मेरा बचना is impossible. So because I'm surrounded with the Britishers, then she killed herself. Then Tantia Tope also he escaped to the jungles. जंगल्स में चला गया सेंट्रल इंडिया में कंटिन्यू टू फाइट गुरिल्ला वॉर्स. गुरिल्ला वॉर क्या होता है कि स्मॉल इंडिपेंडेंट ग्रुप्स फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट आर्मीज, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स बना के अटैक करना ब्रिटिशर्स पे. दैट वाज नोन एज गुरिल्ला वॉर्स. एंड विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ मेनी ट्राइबल एंड पीजेंट लीडर्स, देन आल्सो he was captured, उसको भी पकड़ लिया गया, and he was tried, उसको पूछताछ की गई, investigation, and then finally he was also killed in April 1859. Okay, so first they were continuously Britishers, they were facing the defeats. Now they were facing the victories. So just as victories against the British had earlier encouraged the rebellion, so जैसे जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे पहले वो जीतते जा रहे थे ब्रिटिशर्स के ऊपर, दैट गेव देम द करेज, द कॉन्फिडेंस उनको आया था कि एक के बाद एक जो होता है ना विनिंग जील होती है कि इफ यू आर विनिंग देन कॉन्टिन्यूस विन कम्स, कॉन्टिन्यूस विक्ट्रीज आर देयर, एक जीत के हो दूसरी देन अगेन एंड अगेन. बट नाउ पहले जैसे वो जीतते जा रहे थे, नाउ द इंडियंस नाउ दे वर continuously they were defeated. Okay, they were getting defeated. So just as victories against the British had earlier encouraged the rebellion, कि जैसे पहले इंडियंस जीतते जा रहे थे उससे उनको encouragement मिली, the defeat of rebel forces encouraged desertion. Now they were getting defeated, उनकी power अपने आप को weak again, they started feeling weak, and they were leaving, they were dying continuously, and they were leaving their kingdoms. The British also tried their best to win back the loyalty of the people. So ऐसा नहीं था, because you know that they wanted to rule India, they did not want to leave India. उनको ये नहीं था कि उनको मार के हरा के हमें वापस इंग्लैंड जाना है. They wanted to stay back. They still wanted to rule India. And you know that if they wanted to rule, so then they have to gain back the loyalty of the people. उनको लोगों के साथ मिलके रहना पड़ेगा, उनको जो कुछ उनकी डिमांड्स है उनको भी मानना पड़ेगा. So why revolts take place? You know क्यों होती है revolts? जब people are unhappy. So that's why ब्रिटिशर्स ने ये भी ट्राई किया कि हम दोबारा जो इंडियन जो पीपल है उनका ट्रस्ट जो है वो गेन कर सके. So in concern to that, liberal policies towards the trial of landlords and rebels. Okay, so उन्होंने policies को liberal कर दिया, थोड़ा relax कर दिया, and they started reward and punishment. Okay, they said that those landlords who would support us, कि जो landlords हमें आके सरेंडर कर जाएंगे या फिर हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे उन्हें रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, and those who will stand against us, those who will not obey us, they will stand against us, they will be severely punished. उनको punish किया जाएगा. So this reward and punishment they brought, and then so like this it is written here, see, just as victories, they announced rewards for the loyal landholders would be allowed to enjoy traditional rights. This I'll explain next time because meeting is going to be over. Okay, only last part is left, aftermath. So please read the chapter up to here and then come back again because you people never bring any doubts. You don't do self-reading or what? Please do self-reading, self-study is very important. I'm telling you the story, it's interesting, I know, but you also have to study it. Okay, so please study it and read the chapter and note down the important lines and points. And do ask questions. You people don't ask questions. That is very important. Okay, the only here up to here we will do today. Fine.